Hello and welcome to yet another session of Inspa Vibes with SK. Today is the 75th Independence Day for India. So, Jai Hind and Happy Independence Day to all of you. So, I decided that after the flag hoisting in our society today, I would just talk to people and understand what freedom means to them, right? And before I do that, let me share what does freedom mean to me. I was born in free India, so freedom kind of came to me by birth. However, when I look back over the years today, I would say the most important meaning of freedom for me as an individual is having the choice, having the freedom to make choices in my life, right? So, whether it is the choice of going out or staying at home, the choice of studying what I want to, the choice of working where I want to, which field I want to, the choice of wearing the kind of clothes that I want to, the choice in foods, the choice in friends, the choice in travel, anything at all, yes, and the choice of wanting to be free and celebrating freedom every single day, or becoming a slave of my habits, of my past baggage, of all the disappointments and disillusions, and getting stuck and becoming a slave of my past. So, freedom is basically having the freedom of choice. So here goes, let's see what different people of different age groups have to say about what freedom means to them.
Freedom or independence to me is really important. Freedom to me is being able to do or say whatever you want without being forced to do it. But freedom and independence comes with its own set of rules. You cannot offend or hurt or harm anyone else's freedom or thoughts or beliefs when you are having independence. Thank you.
Our national flag flies not because the wind moves it, but it is because of the lives of the soldiers at the border who died protecting our country. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
Independence Day is for children playing aloud.
Even he's been waving that flag for the whole time. So I really wanted him to have this experience, and even though we've had corona and we cannot go anywhere, I don't want him to miss out on these important events of India, because it is a very prestigious moment for the time when we got our independence and we were free from the British rule. So I want him to celebrate everything that it curtails and entitles. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Happy Independence Day to everyone. Freedom. After we got freedom, it's like we do not, our generation does not even know what happened that time. But what we read and we get to know, and after that we really salute our freedom fighters for giving us this freedom.
Freedom to me means doing what I want because I want to do it, making my own choices. I feel free when my mom lets me do what I want. She treats me like an equal. And whatever I do because I want to do it, not because I have to do it. So making my own choices, exercising my free will, and saying what I want to say is what freedom means to me.
75 इंडिपेंडन्स डेवरती गंगा गार्डन सोसायटीच्या फॅमिलीजला खूप खूप हार्दिक शुभेच्छा देतो.
I want to say Happy Independence Day to all.
Freedom to me is that our freedom fighters fought for us and gave us freedom from Britishers. At midnight of 15th August 1947, we got freedom, and this is the 75th Independence Day for us, and we should celebrate it more nicely. Thank you.
सगळ्यांना शुभेच्छा. आणि आपण कोविडसाठी बऱ्याच लोकांनी खूप मदत केलेली आहे एकमेकांना. नंतर बाकीच्या राज्यांमध्ये वगैरे सगळीकडे ते पण एक चांगली गोष्ट आहे.
Hi everyone, wish you all 75th Independence Day. I would like to say that independence really means independence from this pandemic in the current situation, and I feel everybody should be empathetic about each other.
First off, happy Independence Day to everybody. In my opinion, freedom is the ability to do something without somebody else's consent. So, if you don't have your own freedom, you cannot enjoy life, and not having your own freedom is just like being dead. Yeah.
भारताला स्वातंत्र्य मिळून आज 75 वर्ष झालेले आहेत. त्याच्यामुळं हा अमृत महोत्सव आपण साजरा करतो आहे. तर हे आपलं खूप भाग्य आहे की आपल्याला 75 वर्ष म्हणजे स्वातंत्र्य मिळून बघायला मिळाले.
त्यामुळं खूप खूप धन्यवाद आणि इथून पुढे असंच एकमेकाला साथ द्यावे आपल्या लोकांनी. धन्यवाद.
Freedom is not just a word for me, it contains lot of things in it. Like freedom to do anything what we want, freedom like when no one is forcing us to do. Freedom like we have our own choice of ideas to give freely. No one is forcing us to give the ideas, or no one is forcing us to no, you can't say it. So freedom is just basically for me, the thing what you want to do is in your own way. No one can force you or no one can stop you from doing it. Thank you.
Shall I remove the mask? Yeah. Independence, according to me, is independence to do only the right thing. That's it.
Freedom to me is very essential for living. Living under someone else's control isn't living at all. When you know, when you can do what you want to do or say what you want to say, it's freedom. When you have the rights to do what you want to, when you don't have to ask permission, you just do what you feel like or think what you feel like, it's freedom. So I think everyone should have at least one place where they can freely be who they want to be. These are my thoughts. Thank you so much.